forget to subscribe!
The magic flute!
Once upon a time, there were children that lived in a snow-covered village.
Poby is reading a book to his friends.
One day, there appeared a huge, scary monster in the village. The children were so scared that they all hid in their houses. But later that night, as the monster started playing the flute, the bad children of the village fell under its spell and left their houses. They followed the monster. The dragon disappeared with the bad children. Only good children remained in the village. The end. Oh?
Bad children?
Yes, good children stayed.
Do you think I'm a good kid?
I'll be fine too, right?
The magic flute story scared our friends.
Oh. I better go now.
Oh?
Crong, come with me. Found it. So, with the flute, you and I will go and then we can...
Oh my. Pororo and Crong are up to something again.
From now on, I won't cry anymore. I'll get along with my friends, too. Oh, it's the flute! It's a monster! I'm not a bad
Oh, you started it first!
What did you say?
Oh, I will not fight anymore! Phew. That sounds to me like a flute! What's that? Ah! It's a monster! Poby! Poby!
Who is it? Huh?
Poby, there was a monster! I heard flute music, and then saw a scary monster was outside.
He's right. I better go now.
Ah, I have a plan for us.
Should we do it again?
Oh my. It's Pororo and Crong.
I won't misbehave ever again. I made a mistake.
We got you! It was you two at it again!
Will I?
Pororo, Crong, a bed prank might bring a real monster.
We won't do that again.
So, do you promise to? I'm telling you, you really scared me.
I'm sorry.
Pororo and Crong decided not to play a bad prank ever again.